Welcome to the Plus add-on tutorials. Today I gonna demonstrate sticky navigation menu for Elementor. First of all, let's check out two different demos of that widget. There are two examples. One is a standard sticky menu and another is a reverse sticky menu. So let's check out their examples. Here you can see a navigation menu which is sticky. Once you reach out to its section, you also can see the change in their logo, the colors, even the off canvas menu like this. You can see the color changes over here. And the another example is reverse sticky menu. In that example, once you go down, it will not show as a sticky, but as you go up, it will start showing. That's called reverse sticky menu. So let's check out how to build those sticky menus in your Elementor. First of all, you will need navigation menu widget from the Plus add-ons. Let's check it out. We already have installed the Plus add-ons and we have all the widgets available over here. So let's find out. Here is a navigation menu. So let's create a new menu. Let me delete the current options. Let me add one new row. Now let's manage it. We will put the logo over here, the menu and the header extras. So let's put navigation menu widget over here. Once you check out a navigation menu widget, in the navigation you also need to create a menu. The menu you can create from appearance and the menus. In the menu, you need to create a new menu. Let's put a name, taste. Let's create a menu. In a menu, you can add any custom links. Let's put I am creating some dummy menus. Like this. So let's put that here. Let's save it. Now we need to put a navigation menu over here. Once you select that, we need to select a taste menu, but we can see the taste menu over here. So let's update it and refresh because we just created that menu. So let's refresh the page, and once the refresh will be finished, you will see the menu with the name taste. So you just need to select a taste menu over there. Now let's check out and select that new menu we created. You can see the taste menu over here. So you can see all the menus and the sub menus are available over here. Then you have option for the alignment and other. We already have made a separate video for this, so you can check it out over there. Now let's add a logo first. So let's go to the site logo and put that over here. Now here you can select a normal or the double logo. Let's put one logo over here. For example, let's use this. Right, let's make it width smaller. Now let's add header extras with the header meta content. Now here you can select a multiple options. For example, let's add a mini cart and the search bar. So here you need to turn on the search bar and a mini cart options. So you will see both the options available over here. Now we have a menu setup. So let's change everything on a sticky. So first we need to go to the navigation menu widget. From there we have to select a sticky menu. In an extra option you just need to turn on sticky menu. Once you turn on the sticky menu, you will have a different styling options. For example, here you can see a sticky main menu, typography options, your outer padding, inner padding, their styles and other options. So let's change a background color first. Let's make that see, you can see the example over here. Now let's change the full background color. Let's make it a blue. Let's remove this color. Now we also need to change the color of the text. So let's make it white. You also can change the icon color. So these are the options in the navigation menu for the sticky. There are multiple options. You can adjust that as well. Here you can adjust the height as well for that section. So your sticky menu can be a different size. You can see there are different size. Also you can set up a padding of 0 pixel or the whatever the pixel you want. So you can see the difference over here. Now let's change the logo. So here you have option for a sticky logo where you can select. Let's choose this cake icon. You also need to adjust its width. So you can see the different logo over here. Right. Then let's change the same things in a header extras. In a header extras, you need to go to the extra options. In extra option, turn on sticky options where you have option to change the color of search icon. Let's keep the count color as it is. We also need not to change anything else. So you can see the difference over here. Right. You also can use off canvas. Where you have options for the sticky option. Here you can see the sticky navigation color. From there you can change the color of the text. You can see the option over here. right? On a sticky, let's make it a gray, so you can see the color difference, right? You also can use login and register widget. Oops, just a second, let me try again. Due to small space, it's tough to manage those things over there, but I am showing that just for an example. So let's make it button hover, and once you do that, you also have option for a sticky. You can see, and there are different options for the color and everything. So let's choose let's make it green. Here you can see it's blue, and here you can make it a green. So those are just for the examples, so let's remove them, and you can see our two menus. So let's check how to change the background color of this menu. In the menu, in a navigation widget, you need to go to the section background options under a sticky menu. From there, here you can select for the normal state, and for the sticky you can select from here. So let's select blue on a sticky, and for a normal state let's select a white. So you can see it over here, and once it will go as a sticky, it will be a blue, right? Now let's change this color to make it look nice. So this way we have made a normal sticky menu. Now let's check out how to make it reverse. So once you turn on this option, your menu will work based on the reverse sticky menu. That means once you go down, it will work like a normal, but once you start going up, you will see the sticky menu over there. You can see the example over here. Initially it will not available, and once you go back, you can see that reverse sticky menu effect. So this was the tutorial for a sticky navigation menu in the Plus add-ons. Thanks for watching, and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.